What's up, guys? Welcome back to Almost Mechanics YouTube channel. In case you're new, my name is Liam, and today we are filming the third installment on the 400 engine rebuild video series here. I know I didn't get to, or I'm basically refilming this because I filmed this probably about 2 weeks ago, and then unfortunately I could not upload to my computer. But anyways, I will show you guys what I did the past couple weeks here on this engine and what I'm going to do today. I really don't have much to do before I put it back together, and hopefully it turns over. I'm gonna fill it up with oil first, obviously, but make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and let's get right into the video here. Alright, I had forgotten my light, so alright, I will try and keep the pretty much light here. So I loosened this. Let me try and set this light up here. Unfortunately, my lights are so wonky, I can't really set them down. I gotta get some magnetic lights or something, or some actual lighting for this garage. But it's not gonna say. There we go. Alright, so I loosened the cap on this, or on this would be cylinder 8 and cylinder 7, and I found the bearing races put on backwards. That was something I did. So basically, let me loosen these nuts here, but there's a notch on either end of the bearing races, or the half moon bearings. I don't know what you guys want to call them, but there's a notch on either end, on opposite ends. One is directly in the middle of the end, and one's offset. The offsets are, or the offset and center sides are supposed to oppose each other. Okay, let me see if I can get this cap off of here without having too many issues. Okay, we're gonna have a little bit of an issue then. I don't have a whole lot of tools right now, so I definitely gotta go buy a few things so I can properly do my job here. But whatever I have right now is getting the job done today. I put too much grease on here, or on these as well. So I already did, like I said, 8, 7, no, yes, 8, 7, and 6, and this is number 5. So as we can see here, like, yeah, that's dry on the inside and there's too much grease on the outside. Okay, so right here, as we can see, there's a notch right there in the middle of your camera, right above my thumb. And then there's also a notch right here filled with grease. But this notch, and there's on it, or on this notch, I cannot see with the camera. Let me go around the other side. It looks like we got the middle notch. So I already forgot which side, but that offset one, it will have to go on this side when I put it back in, just because then it keeps the bearings in line with each other. As for this one, the bearings are perfectly centered to the cap, and then this one, and then the crankshaft, or the connecting rod. So that's not an issue right there. Like I said, I was having issues with it turning over by hand, so my decision to take it back apart again before I try the 5.7. So honestly, we will try and get this going here. I will cut the camera here, and then we'll tune back in once we're done with this part. Alright, so I got cylinder shoot. I got cylinders 5, or I'm gonna call it quits for the day here. So I got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and I'm gonna take apart 3, so that's where I start off tomorrow. I'll probably just throw this video on tonight, and then I will just add tomorrow's on for the channel for tomorrow. So I'm gonna wrap up this video here, and then we'll close this up. I just gotta make sure I have gaskets in my stash of stuff, just so I can close this up, seal it up, and then fill it up with oil and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.